Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do, if you want to tap the keyboard shortcut, it's Control and the H key, or you can select the Home tab, and then go over to the far right side and select Replace. Now, select what you want to find. So let's say the word text, and we want to replace it with words. Select where it says Find Next, and you can see it locates it throughout our text here. We're going to go ahead and select Replace or Replace All, depending on either you want to just make one selection change or you want to replace all of the words. So once you have found the items you want to change, select Replace All, and it says how many changes they've made. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.